everybody. Here I have a beautiful plant, and believe it or not, it gives two different types of colors of flowers, and it's so amazing. It's from the same branch, as you can see right here. It's from the same branch. We have here a different flower here, totally different, right? And look at this one, same branch, totally different again. I mean, how beautiful is this? Beautiful. I'm so like surprised to get two different types of colors, two different color styles in the same branch. Believe it or not, look at that. See, there's the branch right there. There's for that one right there, and this one. I'm so amazed with this plant. I bought it, I just bought the tubes, and I just put it in the pot, and I just barely put them in the pot with a little bit sticking out. You can see here the tube is sticking out, so I didn't completely bury it. There's another tube here, and yes, so far so good. It's flowering. It is called Dhalia, the Dhalia plant. It's an annual, unfortunately. It's not a perennial, but hey, it's worth it. The flowers are so beautiful, and I'm excited that I get two different color styles, and I'm happy with that. It's super amazing to have that. How cool is that? Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below and thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.